everyone. Welcome to मुफ्त का ज्ञान पार्ट 3. आज का टॉपिक है ऑरा, फेमिनाइन ऑरा. व्हाट इज ऑरा? ऑरा इज बेसिकली जो आपको बिना देखे फील करते हैं लोग. जैसे ही आप आते हो, आपका प्रेजेंस कैसा ऑरा आपके साथ आता है, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट ऑरा. ऑरा इज नॉट प्रिटी फेस, नो. ऑरा इज calmness. Aura is inner strength. Aura is how people perceive you. That is what aura is. So, without wasting time, let's get started. मैं पहले हर चीज़ बहुत फास्ट, लाउड और रिएक्टिव करती थी. But soft feminine aura is when you move from stillness. When you choose slow over rush. When you use to think before reacting, and obviously softness over force. And that's when people see you differently. You look like a woman. That's not chasing, that's attracting. आपको पता है कि आपका ऑरा कैसे बिल्ड होता है? आपका ऑरा बिल्ड होता है जब आप आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड से वैलिडेशन मांगना बंद कर दो, जब आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करना बंद कर दो, जब आप अपने आप को डिफेंड करना बंद कर दो, जब आप कम शब्दों में अपना मतलब, अपनी चीजें क्लैरिटी से रखो, तब आपका जो ऑरा है वो नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाता है. जब लोग देखते हैं कि आपको सिर्फ अपने काम से काम है, जब आप किसी को नीचे दिखाए बिना खुद को ऊपर दिखाओ, एवरीवन will respect you. Everyone will get intimidated. जब लोगों को दिखेगा कि you are not putting someone down to just show your aura, yourself, that you are bigger than that person, that's when your real aura comes out. So, एक लड़की, आज के ज़माने में लड़कियां लड़कियों को नीचे दिखाती हैं. क्यों? Why you have to do that? Be a woman who help other women. Be a woman who appreciate other women. And that's how you will build your aura. The aura that no one can neglect. The aura that will make every head turn when you will enter the room. Now, let's move on to the third part. That is, stop judging yourself. Stop putting yourself down. सबसे पहले सेल्फ डाउट किल्स योर ऑरा. इवन यू आर अलोन और यू आर विथ समवन, stop putting in this your head that you are less than someone else. If you don't know, you ask. If you are not sure, then you learn. That's how you will build aura, not by being so cruel to yourself, not by telling yourself that you are not good enough. If you will tell yourself you are not good enough, people will not let you live. अगर आप खुद को ही अप्रिशिएट नहीं करोगे, खुद को ही डाउनग्रेड करोगे, खुद को ही इतनी बातें सुनाओगे, इतना क्रूअल बिहेव करोगे, तो दुनिया तो करेगी. आपका ऑरा बिल्ड नहीं होगा ऐसे. So stop doubting yourself. No one in this world is perfect. Everyone learns, everyone asks questions. That's how they become something. If you will keep on doing negative talks to yourself, you will never build your aura. So understand one thing. There is no shame in learning. There is shame in pretending that you know everything. Stop pretending and start learning. Now let's move on to the fourth part. That is, protect your energy like it's your currency. Yes. आप अपनी जितनी एनर्जी को प्रोटेक्ट करोगे, उतना आगे और उतना ऑरा आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. अ सॉफ्ट फेमिनाइन वुमेन डोंट एंगेज इन नेगेटिव कन्वर्सेशन and they do not give their energy everywhere. They choose where to invest their energy. They choose where to stay. They choose where not to stay. They do not entertain any drama. They do not entertain negative people. They walk away from drama, chaos, and noise because calmness is expensive. And their aura grows when they protect their calm. And if you have seen my previous मुफ्त का ज्ञान episode, I have mentioned in that video again and again how important a calm mind is. And here it links up again. Calmness is a weapon. If you have a calm mind, you can do anything in this world. That's how you will build your aura as well. Aura is not an act. It is energetic lifestyle. It's how you sit, how you move, how you talk. That all is aura. How steady you remain inside your body. This is feminine luxury. I hope you liked this episode of Muft Ka Gyan Har Budwar. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching till the end. Comment down below if you want next Muft Ka Gyan on how feminine women build value boundaries. Tell me if you want the video on that and I will make that video for you. So till then, take care. Build your aura stronger than ever. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.